Did you know that about 59% of Canadians suffer of headaches at some point in their lifetime? And of that, about 30% of people actually suffer of tension style headaches, which is tension at the base of the skull and up in the neck area that causes headaches. And about 17% of people suffer of migraine style headaches, which can be very, very debilitating. In some cases, patients tell me that the headaches can last a day or 2 days or 3 days, and they get them very regularly, where it's maybe 2 or 3 or 4 times a day. And in some cases, patients get headaches every day, which is just not a way to go through life. It's not a way to go through your day. And if it's been bothering people for 10, 15, 20 years, that's a very, very long time to be suffering of headaches. I want to read you this quick little testimonial that I got from a patient of mine that really goes to show how chiropractic really helped her with her headaches. And just pay attention to what she says here. She says, before chiropractic here, I had frequent headaches. I had a lot of pain and stress in the back of my neck due to stress and computer work. My headaches are seldom now. I do not have any neck pain anymore. In the future, I hope to be retired and pain and stress free. I feel happier when I do not have pain. I don't carry Advil around me. I take the very odd one. When I'm happy, my family's happy, my coworkers are happy. It's all good. That's what she said about her life now that her headaches are cleared, and now she's not suffering of headaches anymore thanks to chiropractic. So if you have headaches and you wonder how chiropractic helps, well, the predominant thing that we look for as chiropractors is misalignments or subluxations on the spine. What does that mean? It means this. And there's really two specific main areas that I look for in my office for patients when they come in with headaches. Two things that come to my mind. But first of all, let me tell you what normal alignment of the spine is. It should be straight from the front and have these 3 natural flowing curves from the side. Let's focus on the neck area here. The neck is made up of 7 vertebrae. So it should be straight from the front and should have this C-shaped curve from the side. So when someone comes in with headaches, some of the main areas of the neck that triggers headaches is the very top here. It's called the C1 or the atlas vertebra. It's the first bone, the top of the neck. And check this out, the actual head sits on the first bone. So the first bone is at the top of the neck and that holds up the base of the head and the rest of the skull. So over here, this bone here is called the occiput. So I always check for this bone to see if it's moving properly, if it's aligned properly, if it's positioned properly, because if it's out of position, what it does is it puts tension on the spinal cord, predominantly in the brainstem area of the spinal cord, which is the very top of the spinal cord, and of course the bottom of the brain area. And these nerves go to a whole bunch of different body parts. But check this out, these nerves also go to the skull area, the face area, the area of the front of the head, the side of the head. They go to the head and face type areas. So if this bone is out of alignment, can be out of alignment? It can be just the individual bone can be shifted forward, sideways, or rotated. But check this out. What if someone has bad posture? Well, that whole bone now is shifted maybe 1 inch forward, 1.5 inches forward, putting tremendous amount of pressure on the brainstem and on the nerves at this area here, which triggers headaches, tightens muscles. The muscles that are attached here, there's specific muscles that go from the base of the skull and the first bone. And you know what? Those muscles, it's been shown in research that attach to the protective linings of the brain, which is called dura mater, which is very, very pain sensitive. So if this bone is shifted and misaligned, triggers on those muscles, which tension the dura mater, which can cause all kinds of head style pain, hence headaches. The other area I look for is the occiput. The occiput needs to have a very gliding motion, so the head needs to essentially glide, flexion and extension, right? And if that motion is restricted because of a misalignment, then we have specific adjustments to correct for that. So I look for the occiput alignment and gliding, I look for C1, atlas alignment, and position, and of course overall posture alignment. And we have specific techniques and adjusting protocols that helps correct those, and that's how we get amazing results for our patients and testimonials just like this. Because when we start to correct the problem that's causing the headaches clear up. And yes, I want to see the pain go away. I want to see the tensions go away, the muscle tightness, all the suffering that comes with headaches and migraines. But you know what? What I'm happier about is that the person's quality of life is coming back and that we've corrected the problem. Because you know what really upsets me It upsets me that people have been taking medicines like Advil and Tylenol or all kinds of painkillers. And what are they accomplishing? Yes, it can relieve pain and headaches maybe for an hour or a day or two if you're lucky. And keep in mind all the devastating side effects it comes with. But did you correct the problem? Like I asked my patients, you've had headaches for 10, 15, 20 years. You've been taking medicine all this time. Why are you still taking the medicine? The problem never got corrected. Well, if it's a spinal misalignment issue, which is called a subluxation or a misalignment of the spine where the spine is out of alignment, then that's a chiropractic case. That means we can help with chiropractic and we can get results just like we got here with this lady here who's had headaches for a very long time. Hope that answers your question about headaches and how chiropractic helps. We've helped many, many people in our office with headaches and migraines and tension headaches. If that's you, give us a call and let us help you discover how chiropractic can help you relieve headaches. Thank you for watching this video. Look out for more videos from Back to Health Chiropractic Center.